Today, we're going to be doing some live trading using TradingView with the Holy Grail long and short calls indicator.
Welcome to Holy Grail Algo, simplified trading. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Holy Grail Algo is not liable for any loss or damages which may result directly or indirectly from such content.
Hey, good morning everyone, and we are trading on TradingView today with the NQ, and we printed this long right here, broke above this trend line right here and the EMA kind of right there together. Looked really good for this. Down here at the bottom, you'll see that here's our MACD down here, and it printed this bull right here at the bottom, curling up, turning green on the MACD. Here is our HMA, and it's also curling up and turning green. Printed that long, broke above these trend line and the EMA. Entered the trade, and we're up a couple of points right now, and I'm going to trail this up if it keeps on going here. Now, all of this that you see on the screen on my chart right here is part of the algo. There's a whole bunch of indicators rolled up into one. The color of the candles, the EMA, the trend lines, the blue supply and demand lines. I use those to know where to move my stops and where to take profit. I'm going to lock that out just underneath that level right there to kind of give it a little bit of protection. Okay, here we are a little bit later into the trade. It's a little slow this morning because this is pre-market right now. And we're still moving up, still got some pretty good profit on here after we printed that long, broke above the EMA, the trend line. And I'm probably going to move up and trail this a little bit more. Don't want to give up too much of this. Got some nice profit on the screen right here. You see I can use these levels right here to know kind of where to move my stops and my take profit right there. Now we're just trading one contract. Okay, a little bit later into the trade, and we got some really nice profit going on here. Still breaking up. Nothing much has changed. It's a little slow pre-market. Got some news coming out, and it's looking really good. I'll lock some more profit out when trailing it. Okay, here we got an oil trade going on this morning, and we got a few ticks on the screen here after we've entered this trade. It printed this long after a really nice short. We're gonna move this up. I like to get about $100 on oil and give it a little bit more room. You can see these levels up there and see it's pushing a level right there. I want to see it break that level or get above that a little bit, and we'll lock some out. Hasn't quite done that yet. And we'll give this just a little bit more room up here just in case she wants to shoot up. Oil sometimes can go really quick. But two really nice calls so far today. And there we go. There we go. We're breaking above. There we go. Now we can lock out some profit. Give it some more room. Okay, so we are now done trading for the day. It's just about noon, and we only took 2 trades today, but we got some really nice profit from the 2 trades that we took. One in the pre-market from the NQ, and the other one in the CL right just before lunch. And Holy Grail Algo had made these really nice calls. We took them. We have this on sale right now for 92% off. It's $49 for the entire year. That comes out to about $4 a month. And to get this, you just sign up on our website, HolyGrailAlgo.com, and look for the TradingView link at the top. Fill out that form. It'll take you to a payment page. Once you fill that out, you will get an email back, and inside the email will be some instructions and to let you know that we are going to need to activate you. We're going to ask you for your TradingView username. Once we have that, we will get it activated, usually within a couple of hours. You'll get an email back of confirmation, and you'll also get an email back with some how-tos to get it installed and a little video to walk you through step by step. It's very simple. It's pretty much like installing any other indicator. So I hope that you enjoyed the trading today, and hopefully you'll take advantage of this 92% off that we've got going on right now. So thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Thank you for watching Holy Grail Algo. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop us some comments.